Madam,
Sir,
abeg look me way. Na human rights activist na dey talk to me. Wetin be your name?
my name is Betty.
Your full name na.
Hello, my people. How na day from Untouchable Mama? Na good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet everybody. Hope say una dey fine, my brothers and sisters. Una see this picture wey una dey see so. This picture wey dey here so if una see wetin happen for the video, maybe some of una don still see am. This woman if you see the way e take tie pikin, the way e take tie am, una see am for there na, una see am for there because the video I no fit put am for una, but I will put only the video wey the woman dey talk when dem dey ask am. For the first video wey I see her people dey think say no be the woman na born the pikin because wetin happen say the pikin no dey stay house, e dey run comot for house. Me I dey talk one thing. If you know say you no fit train pikin, no born. All these our people dem go born pikin finish, dem go want make dem lock dem for inside house, do dem wey I no know wetin as I take talk am. Dem say the pikin no dey stay house, dem dey see pikin wey no dey stay inside house. They no dey see pikin wey no dey stay house. Na depend the way wey you take do your pikin, depend the way you take dey do am. Maybe you dey treat am bad, maybe wetin e need you no dey give am. E go dey run go outside. Maybe you need me I just say you need biscuit now, you go say you no get biscuit, you no fit give am. E get the way you take talk to small pikin, e go understand. You know say some mother dey, the way dem take dey talk to their pikin the pikin go say okay, I dey go my friend place. At least you call am, tell am say e no dey now, later if e dey I go give you. This one na small pikin, maybe the pikin go be like 7-8 years or maybe never even reach sef. And the woman even get belle, e dey expect another baby. They go dey born. They no the one wey you first get, you dey maltreat am like this. This second one wey dey come, so how you wan come do am? I no even know. Some people e be like say they even dey be like say they no need the pikin just come like that. I no know as I take talk am. People dey wey dey find pikin dey go, they no see. This one just tie him hand, tie him leg, like you know say if you wan go buy if you go buy goat for market, the way they take dey tie am give you, dem come tie am, then you come carry am as they take dey carry handbag. Na so e take do am. Even people wey dey there wey even dey want make dem try to make dem help the small boy, they no fit. So before they go find something brick on like scissors abi knife, before they use am take open am, open the rope. My brothers and sisters, wetin dey worry some of our women? Wetin dey do dem? Who dey pursue dem dey go? Even the woman sef, looking at the woman sef, you know say no be say age don go like that o. Wetin dey pursue you dey go? One wey you get, you never even fit control am. You get another one. If that one come now again, e go come be double problem, double wahala. They go the way wey they take dey do small pikin for our place na wa. No, e no even finish say e tie am for there. I no fit show na the video. I no fit show any the video. E even put you know say e come put stick for im mouth. E come put stick for im mouth. Just the way wey they take dey do, when you go buy all this animal for this thing, then you put am make for no bite you, or you know, na so e take do am. Which kind person wey your pikin wey you born, na you born am, no be say na person na give you your own, you fit do am like that. If another person come give you, how you go do that one? This kind woman, person go dey fear to even give am your pikin for 30 minutes because you no know wetin e go do. Some of our people, they get problem for brain. They know, you know say some people they go get problem. You know they go meet doctor, even say go meet doctor, say see I dey pass I dey get problem, or I get stress, or I get this one. No, they go use the stress, use the press, put am for the pikin wey they born for a body. Now make some of all these children, they go stubborn. They very stubborn. See this one now, if this small pikin can't grow, that thing can't dey inside im brain. Huh? You wey born pikin, you fit do your own pikin like that. The one wey you not born, how you go do am? How you go do am? Because they know say our people they like to dey born. They no even care to train pikin well, to the way wey they take dey talk to pikin. They no care. Na just to born this one. How many children you get? Go say you get 4. How many you get? You go say you get 5. Na only that one na dem know how to do. They no even care to train am, to put am for better school, for do am make e get a future. They no care. All wetin dem want, they say dem get pikin. I born. Like this one now, go fit call say this one na real mother. Mother wey fit do your pikin like this. Mona just hear the wetin dem dey talk, because I no fit put the video, but I'll put the video when they take go find the mother, because after this first video wey I wan play, so 9 people first see. Then this another one, this second one wey I go put. Now this one na be the second one. The time when they go find the woman wey born the pikin, because people be dey think say na im stepmother na im do am like that. But now she come talk say no, na she born the pikin. Say na she born am. You wey born pikin, you fit do am like that. E come dey cry crocodile cry for there. E suppose make dem even do her like that, as the way she take do that small boy. Nothing wetin your pikin go do you wey you go just fit do am like that. Nothing wey even though say e dey run comot for her, because na the one wetin she talk, e say the pikin dey run comot for house. That means e get wetin dey happen for inside house. E get wetin dey happen for inside house. You dey maltreat am, dey run. Na make am dey run, because if you no dey run, pikin wey you no dey maltreat, you no dey do anyhow, you no dey run, wetin go dey pursue am? I know say pikin dey wey dey stubborn, but this stubbornness na through our mother na we dey learn all these things. Na dem dey put their frustration for our head. Na make pikin go come dey stubborn like that. Because if you no put your frustration for pikin body, e no go dey stubborn. Pikin do something, you no harsh, you tell her in a way wey go understand say this thing, no do am next time. You no know say e no good. You know say our own na so biti, na so do am like this, na so na dem take train us, which is very bad. This pikin, if e come grow now, that thing go dey inside im head. E go more stubborn, because dem no know say you no need to beat pikin make e take understand where e for wrong. You no need to do am. If you know say pikin dey stubborn, if e do something, hear the punishment wey dem dey put am, wetin e like pass, you go seize am. You go seize am, say this thing now you no go do. E get the way you go take do am, that pikin go make am understand say okay, I no do am again. But our own, whether dem use a rope take do this one, or carry wetin dem dey call am ugbebe, or carry the other one, anything wey dem see, dem go throw am anywhere wey e like make e meet you. Dey no concern dem, because dem don frustrate. Their frustration, dem go come put am for the pikin wey dem born for im body. Na im cause all this thing. Now you see say many children dem dey for ring road, dem dey for road, dem dey waka up and down, dem no dey stay house, because the parents, their frustration, dem dey find person wey dem wan put for im body. So the first person wey go near dem na their children, so dem put am for their body. Me, I just play this thing more na hear the time wey dem see the small boy, say see wetin dey happen, because dem believe say na im stepmother, because you no believe say person wey just born pikin na im do that thing to that small na im do that thing to that pikin. You no go believe, like you dey believe say maybe this pikin dem give am to person. You know say all these people wey dey go dey stay for madam house, na so sometimes dem dey maltreat dem like this. But this one na she born am, she talk am say na im pikin. Me, I fit play this one, then I'll put the other video wey dem take go find this woman, ask am question. Una still lis ten to that one. So my brothers and sisters, just lis ten to the first video. I no put this first one wey I wan play, so I no put am because of the way e take dey. Una understand now? So una just lis ten to just the audio.
The video now. Can you imagine? This kind of thing there, they're supposed to carry the stepmother and flog her. Now stepmother. Wait, the mother and wish. If person thief sef, na your pikin na. Na your pikin. Na his stepmother I go take. You no greet am your pikin like this now.
He tied his obu for the neck. He tied his obu for inside the mat. This one for inside the mat.
Make the pikin no fit hala. They need to no. The mama need to reach out.
You no go grip am o.
No. The mama go reach out.
They go arrest her. They go arrest her.
He go kill the pikin. He wan make the pikin die because the pikin no fit shout. He go must die.
Madam, I beg look me away. Na human rights activist now they talk to me. What be your name?
My name is Betty.
Your full name now I want to know your full name and your including your husband name.
My name is Betty Kennedy.
Betty Kennedy. Okay. Yesterday being March 8th. We see you for social media, you tie one pikin. I beg, who get the pikin?
Na my pikin.
Now your pikin, now you tie like that. Okay, what did the pikin do you?
No, who tied the pikin?
Who tie the pikin?
Na me tie am.
Now you tie the pikin. First of all, where you dey stay, sir?
Ogara.
Where for Ogara Road?
I no just too much money.
Now which Ogara for Jesse Sarabi Ogara for Agbaru?
Ogara for Agbaro.
For Agbaru. Who tie the pikin?
Na me.
Why you tie the pikin? You know say that thing when you do na child abuse.
I no say my child abuse o. Abeg, na mistake o.
Okay, wait, wetin be the pikin name?
Rejoice.
Rejoice who?
Rejoice Kennedy.
Rejoice Kennedy. Okay. Wetin make you tie the pikin for the first place?
Wetin make tie the pikin be say the pikin dey run dey comot for house. If you run comot for house, we no dey see am again. We come find reach midnight. Na vigilante na come dey carry her dey come house every midnight 2:00.
Why? Then why you know you report to police? Why you no report to police?
That be the mistake.
Then why you no come meet the human rights activists then? Why you no report to them? Because me as a human rights, my office dey Okoko here by the aeroplane there. Why you no come meet me there? Talk now.
Please forgive me because I don't actually know. I don't actually know what happened.
Well,
May God help you.
no wahala, may God help you. May God help you in Jesus' name.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. This is the lady that maltreated her child by tying up her child some days ago that was on social media. We are in a magistrate court 1 Agbaro and she has been sentenced for the crime. Madam, what do you have to say to other women out there that are abusing their children?
What I have to say is that say no to child abuse.
And child molestation.
Molestation.
Thank you very much.
Because the way you are maltreating your child is not fair at all. Just like me. I'm maltreating my child. That is the reason why I'm like this. So I want to say that women stay away from molesting children. For children is the leaders of tomorrow.